In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar daily task list in Outlook. This quick setup helps you see your tasks directly beneath each day in your Outlook calendar, so you can plan time and to-dos in one place. I'll walk you through exactly where to click, and I'll add a few tips to make sure everything shows up the way you expect. First, open Microsoft Outlook. Give it a moment to load your mail and calendar. If you keep Outlook pinned to your taskbar or dock, launch it from there. Otherwise, use your Start menu or Applications folder. Now switch to your calendar. Look to the lower left area of Outlook's navigation pane and choose Calendar. If your navigation bar is collapsed to icons, just select the small calendar icon. This takes you out of Mail or People and into the full calendar view, which is where the task list feature lives. Next, go to the top of the screen and select the View tab. This tab controls how your calendar looks and which panels or lists are visible. If you use the simplified ribbon, you might need to expand it to see all options. Maximizing the Outlook window can also reveal hidden commands. Within the View tab, look for an option labeled Daily Task List on the ribbon. This is the control that toggles the task pane that sits under your calendar days. It manages whether the pane is visible, minimized, or hidden altogether. Click Daily Task List to open its menu. You'll see choices like Off, Minimized, and Normal. Choosing Off hides the list completely, and Minimized keeps it available, but collapsed to save space. Select Normal. This turns on the full daily task list so your tasks appear under each day in your calendar. After selecting Normal, you should immediately see a panel at the bottom of the calendar grid that lists your tasks, typically grouped by due date. At this point, your tasks will now appear at the bottom of each calendar day. If you're not seeing anything, make sure you actually have tasks or flagged items in Outlook. The panel will be empty if there are none. You can drag tasks within this list to adjust their dates, and you can expand or collapse sections to focus on today, tomorrow, or later. If space is tight, switch back to minimized when you need more room, then return to normal as you plan. Also, if the command isn't visible, confirm you're in the calendar module and that the window is wide enough to show the view options. That's all you need to add the daily task list to your Outlook calendar. With it enabled, you can plan your time and your to-dos in one glance.